In this session, let's ask ChatGPT to suggest us a hashtag. Hashtag is one of the metadata. What is metadata? Metadata is data about data. It is with metadata that search engines categorizes articles, ranks articles, and many other use cases are there. So metadata is very important. If let's say you have written an article, you need to provide a brief description, right? That is a metadata. And hashtag that contains 2 or 3 words, or even say 3 or 4 alphabets or 3 or 4 numbers, is a description of the entire article, right? So it's a kind of a summary. Hashtags have become popular with the growth of internet. So let's ask chat gpt to suggest us a hashtag for this particular blog post, right? So I'm going to copy the link and ask suggest a hashtag for, okay, I've provided the link. Let's see the response. Okay, see, it is suggesting predictive tech. It has given us 5 suggestions. Remember, when I asked ChatGPT to provide a summary of this particular link, remember what it said? It said I'm unable to access the external links and provide a summary. How else it is suggesting hashtag, right? It is suggesting hashtag based on the words that are already there in the link. The link contains predictive maintenance, right? The website link or the blog post link contains predictive maintenance. So ChatGPT is suggesting hashtags related to predictive maintenance, right? Predictive maintenance is about knowing when an equipment will fail. Okay, so it tells predictive maintenance, maintenance prediction, proactive maintenance. In fact, predictive maintenance comes under asset management. Asset meaning physical assets that are there in industrial establishments. Predictive tech. All these things are relevant, right? Understand how it has chosen the hashtag. Now, I am going to copy the content that is there in the blog and ask ChatGPT to suggest a hashtag. Let's see what it comes up with. Suggest a hashtag for the below. Okay, let's see what it comes up with. Is it the same? It is different. Can you see here? The content is the same, but the hashtags suggested are very different. Okay, it talks about industry 4.0, industrial efficiency, AI maintenance. Remember, the word AI is not there in the list of hashtags that ChatGPT suggested. Okay, but when I paste the content, ChatGPT is able to suggest better hashtags. In my opinion, these are better hashtags compared to these. So what does it indicate? If you provide content, okay, ChatGPT can summarize, ChatGPT can suggest hashtags, okay, and other metadata information. On the other hand, if you provide a link, it is not able to do the job, right? It is not able to provide a summary of this link. Okay, in one of the earlier versions, when I asked this question, it just picked up these 2 words and provided a summary. Okay, we can say that it is a write-up or not a summary. Okay, do you understand? I gave a link earlier for a YouTube and asked it to summarize. It was not able to summarize. Okay, so you understand the limitations of ChatGPT. Any tool you use, you must know the potential, current capabilities, and the limitations so that you can get the maximum out of it. Okay,